Hi.
Welcome back to the channel. So today we're just doing some shenanigans, bodge jobs on the 4x4 2.5 DTI. So during the heat, the tank split, didn't it? And can you find another diesel tank for this truck?
No, I decided to buy this after we buried the fab there.
Yeah.
And it's been nothing but a fucking problem since, hasn't it?
Yep. So, and it's one of them vehicles that you just can't get any parts for at all, like nothing. So, yeah, today we're going to drop the diesel tank out of it because it had a big leak, well, a small leak, and then you tried to fix it with fiberglass.
Yeah, and it's cool.
And it's a lot
He's
worse.
made it worse.
So currently there is a big puddle underneath of it, which is just costing him, what, 30 quid a tank diesel?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to drop the tank out, going to clean it all up, and then we're going to do some podgery and JB weld it back together.
Yeah.
MOT spec. So, right, let's get cracking. For those wondering what it actually is, it's an Isuzu rodeo, not a D-Max rodeo. And we didn't really get them over here. It's the only one I've ever seen, really. So, it's a good truck. It brakes all the time.
And it skids around about.
It does skid roundabouts pretty well. We did put these on, which we had to do some pottery and bore the hole out to get them to fit, but we don't talk about that. And they come with full good tyres.
Right, nope. A letty downy. Shit, I can't remember where you get this out. I think you have to lift the front up and slide it back.
You said slide it forward a second ago. There we go.
Right, hold it there. So you can't really see. But from my angle, I can't see these pipes. I'm just... Oh, that's got diesel in that one. So of all of them, I think, but we'll just...
That's diesel pissing everywhere.
Right, now lift that to the front of.
Oh, there we go.
Out.
Yeah, problem. Yeah, it's out. Right. Oh, I'm covered. Absolutely covered. Fucking diesel. One diesel tank. Lovely. Brilliant. Now I'm going to stink forever.
Good.
If I start stuttering when I talk, you'll know why. I'm running out of diesel.
No, I ain't got a fucking clue where it's coming from now. It was coming from here last time, as you can see.
So we have found where the leak's coming from,
Same place as before.
where they fiberglassed it last time.
No, it's leaking there. Where's it leaking now? No, there. No, it's across there.
Where was it before?
Across there.
No, where it was there.
No, it weren't. There's no fiberglass filler there, you donut.
You painted it.
Fuck off.
So the bodgery we're doing now, we're going to JB weld it.
Right, how the fuck do I use this shit then?
I don't know.
You need a bit of carbon.
Then you fucking,
So obviously, just so you all are aware, this is a temporary fix until we can find a petrol tank.
It's really not.
It'll probably stay on there for another 10 years, isn't it?
maybe working.
So there we have it.
You're an
Well,
awful...
JB
Why have you
welded
had to do
tank
that?
as a temporary repair.
No, it's permanent.
Temporary.
Permanent, as long as it works.
So while the tank is outside drying, we've just had a spur of the moment Thought. We might side pipe it. So, plan of action now. We're gonna unbolt the exhaust, drop that down, take over the vise, cut it, and then weld a 90 on it. And side pipe it. Let's get to it.
Huh?
Now the tank's all dry. Just gonna give it a coat of this as a temporary repair.
If it was a temporary repair, we wouldn't be painting it, would we?
So yeah, there you go. One truck, straight piped. Diesel tank's not leaking anymore, which is a good thing.
Thought one problem caused another.
Yeah. So it's loud. That should piss the neighbours off.
Yeah. Be right.
Pucker job. Right, let's go crack on with the transit.
And then.
Right, so update. We spent the afternoon prepping, wiping,
Cleaning.
cleaning the interior parts for the transit, which are now been painted black and blue, like Kevin over there. So yeah, join us back
Tomorrow for the rebuild.
tomorrow morning, where we're gonna throw all this stuff and that stuff over there back in the truck and get it all rebuilt. So lovely. So it's another day back on the transit. Kev got here early this morning and put all the interior in. So yeah, plan today is we're gonna take the headlights out, try and get the dent out the front as best we can, and then yeah, I'm assuming start prepping
Paint.
for paint because it needs painting. The bed's near enough all done, so you've got one more. There's Kevin. One more strip to put in, and then yeah. So, right.
By the way, I get up in the mornings.
Right, that's the end of today's episode. As you see, we've done Ken's diesel tank, and
So it's actually still leaking.
that is actually still leaking. Yeah.
Forget about that.
Finished up the wiring on the truck. You've just fitted this last strip of bed on, but we still need to put some more pot rivets in because it's not quite secure just yet, is it?
50-60? Can
50, 60.
So doing fucking pot roofing
I
the
don't even
Titanic
think
back
that-
together.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. And then, yeah, obviously, jumped straight on the front of the van, stripped it, started prepping it for paint. Put some filler on. We'll leave that till next weekend, and then
Filler primer paint.
yeah, yeah. So, but been a busy weekend, isn't it? But it's slowly getting there, and it actually looks like a recovery truck now. Just. So, yeah. So, join us back next weekend where we'll be sanding the filler we applied, prepping for paint.
More paint.
Hopefully, get it all painted. So, yeah. Cheers now. Bye bye.